Ring 'em in the works. Cue intro.
Pretty shortly.
What's the matter, buddy? What's the matter? You want down? You want downs? Do you want downs? Here. Here, let Daddy get you here.
Drop him.
I'm not gonna drop him. Oh, bird. Oh, you guys are ready to go. Well, it's about that time of day. The dogs are saying, hey, let's go, Dad. It is 5:45. We'll go over some of the things we did today. It was kind of a productive day compared to 2 days ago. I think we were cleaning.
Productive day.
Somewhat productive. So I made this little rack out of some a little piece I had that was a grinder holder 10 years ago or something that was laying around.
I call for you. I call for you. I don't wanna walk away, no. I want you to stay home. I call for you.
And I got these new Hout drill bit dispensers and tap dispensers. They also make, I believe, bolt stuff too. I'll put a link below. But it's really nice to have all your drill bits organized, all your taps and drill bits the size that you need. I got some that I need to fill in, but it's pretty sweet. So now we got this by the drill press and by the CNC mill, by the Tormach. What are you doing? We did that, we made 10 more. We started this guy. Don't have the right size tube, but we started and finished, and it's actually in powder coat right now. Trailer hitches. You can see them in there. These are the flagpole holders. There's a little mix up. I guess they wanted the flagpole holders. I don't know if we just didn't understand them or they didn't correlate that to us, but either way, we made them 10 of those and they're ready to go. We got some video of that.
Found the fountain of life. Staring at this without the glasses on.
And what?
Stare at it without the glasses on.
call for you. I call for you. I don't wanna walk away, no. I want you to stay home. I call for you. I call for you. I don't wanna walk away, no. I want you to stay home.
Shit all the focus.
Steering column.
Welding trailer hitches. Inserts.
Welding some hitches.
Yeah. Apparently we made the wrong ones, so we're making the other ones.
Double work.
Double the work, double the pay.
That was a good quick weld.
Yep. Gotta make sure she's straight. Hey everybody, I'm Alex from Regal Metalworks here helping out Dan and watching from the master and learning how to weld.
From North Carolina, right? North Carolina.
North Carolina, down south.
And I just looked at the weld, so that was
Yeah, I did too. So I looked at it quickly. Yeah, the auto darkener right there.
Greg's back there. Greg doesn't like to be on camera, but he's sandblasting something and helping us out in return for said sandblasting. Didn't even know that hole was up there. Good idea, Greg. Alright. So in a short bit of time here, after they're done welding up all those trailer hitches, excuse me. We'll be doing some powder coating, so stay tuned for that. Hey, you need a headset or anything?
Nope. Here, Min Chandler's on.
Hi, Shane.
Because I just don't think it'll bring much money.
Hi. It's Bobby. Say hi. Say hi. Oh my god. His breath smells like hot trash though. That's not good. You're one silly guy. There you go.
All right, we also did, I forgot, Greg brought over a set of Porsche rims that we had powder coated a few years ago, and we weren't happy with the finish. We tried a chrome finish and it just didn't turn out well. But these guys right here, we decided to see what it would look like in the blaster. And I mean, that was really, literally like 5 minutes maybe. It blasted really well, but this was the finish we were getting. We were getting a lot of bubbling a couple years ago, and I don't know, maybe this is just old powder I've had for 10 years or whatever. But see, there it looks pretty decent, but like right here, not so good. Right here, okay, not so good.
Rim job.
There we go, just started. I got 10 minutes now, and these guys will be done, but I gotta leave, so that will actually shut off when that timer hits 0. It'll turn the burners off, which is actually pretty awesome. So anyways, that was about all we got for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Alrighty guys, have a good one.
So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. This is going